This is the elevator at the Amber Apartments main building. I'm here with my dad. You'll see this in a minute. I'm here with my dad. And here we go up to 2. And look what kind it is. It's an OTIS. This is episode 1 of the elevator ride series.
Tell them you're sweaty because you just went for a run.
By the way, I am sweaty right now because I just went for a run for over half a mile. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wait for the door to close and then take a look at the interior of the elevator. Look at the interior of this elevator. Look at this elevator. There are your buttons. And now we're gonna go back down to the first floor. Get your cab view. Just your basic OTIS elevator. There are your fixtures. Let's go back up.
You left the door shut on me.
Back down to 1. Get your cab view. Just your basic OTIS elevator. Here are your fixtures, OTIS Series 4. And now we're going to set it up to 2. Let's take one more ride. Okay, and we're gonna send it up, and all right, there it goes. And before we go, we're gonna see the elevator equipment room. Look, I want to hear the motor.
Huh?
Let's hear the motor. Let's go and over here. Do you hear the motor? Now let's go ahead and bring it back down.
Sure, leave.
That's it.